Perfect breakfast idea. Eggs and bacon, tomato and cheese. Can you beat it? Prepped in minutes and takes about 10-15 minutes to cook. Tastes incredible. So for this simple, no fuss breakfast idea, you're going to need some eggs, tomatoes, these are homegrown straight from the garden, but shop bought will do, grated cheese and bacon. Now you can add whatever you like to these, they are absolutely banging for breakfast. I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. Watch this. Okay, first things first, cracking your eggs into a bowl. And then we're whipping up a storm. Then you're just taking your other ingredients, slicing your tomatoes. I'm just going to do mine in quarters. You can have them in small chunks if you like. But I do like a tomato this time of year. Lovely. Same thing with your bacon. You can use ham or any other cooked meat, but this is left over from my breakfast at the weekend, so you know me, zero waste. Chopping those up. Just while you're doing this, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Look at that, just love cold bacon. Game changer, love it. Okay, back to your eggs. A little bit of Sally, a little bit of Peter. Upgraded for my birthday. Now you need a muffin tray and a bit of fry light. What are you doing? Just greasing those so the eggs don't stick. And then we're pouring the mixture into the muffin tin. Okay, I've only done 4 there because I'm the only one that's eating them. You can do more, you can batch cook them, you can freeze them, and then all I'm doing is adding the ingredients. So a bit of bacon, a bit of cheese, and some lovely homegrown tomatoes. Okay, once your ingredients are in, just give it another bit of a mix together. And it should look something a little bit like that. Add a bit of cheese. Never have too much cheese. Now you can also add a few herbs to these, which I probably should have done to be fair, but hey ho. And then these are ready for the oven. Ta-da! There we have it. Simple, simple breakfast. And you know what? I'm pretty hungry, so might just have a couple now. Look at them. Beautiful. And it wouldn't be me without a bit of hot sauce. Now, you don't have to have sauce. You can have ketchup, brown sauce, whatever you like. I've gone for a sriracha. Well, I would if it was open. Just look at them. Packed full of goodness, lots of protein from the eggs, a little bit from the bacon, but that's all for the flavour. They are delightful. Probably should let them cool down to be fair, but unbelievable. If you want any more breakfast ideas, have a look at this playlist. Got some crackers in there. I've also made these variation in a taco boat. The video's down there. Right, I'm off to finish these. See you in the next one.